Namaste Design enthusiasts. How's everyone doing? Good? Are you ready for some design giggles? Fantastic. So I have been navigating the wild world of design, and let me tell you, it's like trying to choose between 50 shades of grey, and none of them are the right grey. Design movements are like fashion trends for creative minds. You have got your Bauhaus chick. Minimalism, less is more, right? Unless you're talking about my coffee. The more, the merrier.
Okay.
I was at a party the other day and someone asked me about my thoughts on isometric design. I said, well, it's like looking at the world from a designer's optimistically skewed perspective. We don't see problems. We only see opportunities for gradients. And then there's this thing called the golden ratio. It's like the dating rule of thirds for designers. You spend 1/3 of your time designing, 1/3 for coffee breaks, and 1/3 crying in the corner because your client wants it in Comic Sans. And don't get me started on stock photos. Have you ever seen a stock photo of a person laughing alone with a salad? Like, who does that? No one has ever been that happy with a salad. Not even a designer. Have you ever noticed how everyone in stock photos is way too excited about office supplies? Oh, a stapler! My wildest dreams have come true. I want whatever they are drinking. Ever tried to collaborate with a client who thinks they are design expert because they mastered Microsoft PowerPoint in 1998? It's like trying to explain rocket science to a cat. Yes, Mr. Whiskers, we do need that logo in vector format. Speaking of layers, Photoshop is like my therapist. I go there to blend in, dodge life problems, and occasionally add a filter of reality. Oh, you had a bad day? Let me just caution blur that right out for you. In conclusion, being a designer is a bit like jazz. It's improvisation, it's bold choices, and sometimes it makes people question your sanity.